Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you're going to be watching this video from. This is your friend by Mr. V in the School of Learning and Development. How are you doing today? So today I want to just quickly do this particular video about the security group in the Microsoft Entra ID and the Microsoft 365. So now, as you all know that in your Microsoft Entra ID or the Microsoft 365, when you create a group, or you create the M365 group and you create the security group. Now, when you delete the M365 group, you can still restore that. The group is still retained for 30 days where you can restore that group back. But in case of the in case of the security group, once you delete it, it can no longer be restored again. It goes permanently. Okay, but now Microsoft has now changed. Now reverse is now the case. So Microsoft have now changed it. So now when you delete a security group, now it goes to the deleted group where it retained for 30 days. It's retained for 30 days, and thereafter, if you don't restore it, the group will be deleted completely. So this is a good news. Come on, this is a fantastic good news. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how to create that security group, and then if you delete it, will it go permanently, or it will be in the deleted group section. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the portal and see how it works. Okay, I believe most of us know how to create a group. Okay, groups. So it's the same way you create groups in your Microsoft 365, you also create the security group. But now when you delete that particular group, it goes to the deleted group and you can restore it, maybe as long as you restore it before 30 days. Okay, so I think that is a thumbs up for Microsoft. All right, so now when you come to your portal, you just go here and you type your admin.microsoft.com, or you type admin.cloud.microsoft, anyone. So this is my M365 environment. Now I want to go to my Entra environment. Now come up here and you now click on your identity. You come up here, click on identity. So this is identity. You click on it. Now when you click on your identity, it takes you to this particular place, which is known as the entra.microsoft.com. Okay, it's very important you know the URL is directing you to. Okay, so now this is our identity environment. So here you now come up here, and if I want to create a group, normally if it's like this, so you come up here, come and click on your Entra ID. So click on this drop down box, and then you now see groups. So click on that groups. When you click on the groups, you now come up here and see all groups, and you see deleted groups. Okay, so I'm just going to show you now. So click on this all groups, then here I'll now click on new group. Now once I click on now, what group type do I want? I want security. So you can create a security group or Microsoft 365 group. Like I said, if you create a M365 group and you delete it, now you can restore it. But security, that was not the case. But now you can delete, you can restore a deleted security group. Now, what are the key characteristics of this security group and the M365 group? Now in your security group, you can add users, devices, service principal apps. Okay, and the use cases is just to grant them access to apps, file, SharePoint size, SaaS application, conditional access policy. Okay, so you grant the conditional access policy. Now the purpose for creating a security group is for access control. And whereas for the M365 group is for collaboration. Okay, it's for collaboration. All right. Okay. So now when you create that particular group, now let's click on security group. Now I'll give it a name. Let me just delete this. So I'm just going to give it a name. Now let me give that group a name. So let me say let me give you one name. Can I give it? Let me just give it let's say tech. Teach me group. Sorry, sorry about. Let me just keep it in. Let's say tech Now give it a description if you want to. It's always good to give a description, okay? So whoever comes after you can know what that particular group is all about. So when you do that, here you now come up here, you have the Microsoft Entra role. So if you want to assign a role to this particular group, then you need to enable this and click on yes. Or if you are not assigning a role, you can just leave it on no. So it depends on you. So here you come up here, membership type. Do you want it to be assigned? You want it to be dynamic? I want to be the dynamic device. Okay, so let me just say assign. Come up here. I'll now come up here. I'll now look for the owner. I'll just give it owner. Just give myself the owner, and then members. Come up here. I'll just look for members. Add this as my members. Come up here and now click on create. Now once you do that, that group has been created. Tech IT, okay, that is the group we just created. You can refresh so you can see, so you can go down or you come up here, you type that particular group, Tech IT. Now you enter. Now when you do that, you can see that this is that particular group here. You can see now is a security word group. Okay, now let me go to my M365. Come back here, let me create that same group here. I'll come up here, I'll create a group. So to create a group here, you come up here, click on your teams and groups, click on that, and then you now click on this active teams and group. Okay, so I want to create a security group here. You click on the security tab, and then you now say add a security group. So click on that. When you do that, let me give it a name. So I'm just going to give it a support. Oh, sorry. So I'm just giving you support devices. So keep it description if you want to. Click on next. When you click on next, like I said, if you want to add a role, if you want to assign a role to that particular group, so you can check in that. But that's not what I'm doing for now. Click on next. Then once you do that, you just click on create. Okay. You click on your create group. So when you click on create, the next thing you now just say close. Okay. Now this group has been created. Okay. This group has been created. Now, what if I now come up here? If I come up down here, you can see the two group we created now. The one I created, this is the tech IT. Can you see it now? And this is this other one I just created right now. It is support devices. Now, if I come up here and click on it now, and I'll say delete group. Now he said, are you sure you want to delete this security group? Before it will tell you that once you delete it permanently, you cannot restore it. But now let me click on yes, delete. Now let's see, that group has been deleted. Close. Now when you delete that, now you come up here, let's refresh. Okay. Now you now come up here, you have your deleted groups. Click on deleted group. Let's see if it's going there. Now click on deleted groups. Come, you refresh now. So you can see that now. So you can see that the security group is now in where in the deleted groups section. Okay, you can see here it said deleted Microsoft groups will be shown here for 30 days before the group and its associate data are permanently what deleted. Okay, so can you see that now? Now let's go to the Entra ID. Now let's click on this Entra ID. Now this is the group we created. Now we want to delete this one now. If I come up here, select the group, if I click on delete, let's see, I'll click on OK. Now that group has been deleted. Just refresh. Now the group has been deleted. So if you come up here, you come to deleted groups, click on here, you can see the two groups you created. One we created it in the M365 environment and one we created it in the Entra ID environment. So it will show you the date the group was created and everything. So if I come up here and I decide, okay, I want to delete this group, click on here now. If I click on delete, if I click on delete, see it said, do you want to delete group permanently? Click on yes. Can you see that now? You can see that now. Now I've deleted that group permanently. But you can see that when we deleted it, the group is in the deleted state. Okay. Now, if I want to restore this group, I can decide to restore it. Okay. Let's say this one I want to restore. If I click on here now, I'll come up here and I'll say restore group. Click on that and you click on yes. You can see that now the group has been restored. Now, if I go to my Entry65 environment, if I come up here, let me refresh and see, refresh, you can see there's no group in here because it has what? It has been restored back. You can go back to M365, come up here, come to your groups, look for that particular group here, refresh. I'll look for that security group here, and then I will delete it again. So you see, so this is the group. I'll click on it. I'll now click on delete group. Click on delete. Yes, close. If you go to your deleted groups, you see it there. Okay. So if I want to restore, I can come up here, refresh, restore it from here, or come up here, restore it from here. Okay, so you can see that now you are now able to what? To restore your deleted security group. Okay, so that is it. So click on restore and that group will be restored back to us. Okay, so that is how you can restore a deleted security group in the Microsoft 365 and the Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, so I do hope this short video you have gained one or two things from this short video. Thank you, and thank you for watching all my videos. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Just click on subscriptions, just click on that subscribe and turn on the notification button. And I want to celebrate my subscriber. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I do appreciate what you're doing. Okay, I remain your friend Okwemi Stephen in the School of Learning and Development. Bye bye, see you later.